Here are visually striking birds found in the Amazon rainforest. Scarlet macaw, known for its vibrant red, blue, and yellow plumage. Toucan, with their large, colorful bills. Toucans are famous for their striking appearance. Quetzal, they are known for their long, iridescent tail feathers. Amazon kingfisher, his kingfisher species has a striking combination of blue and rufous plumage. Hoatzin, the hoatzin is a unique-looking bird, with a crest of feathers on its head and striking colors. Sun bittern, this bird has a distinctive wing pattern, with striking eye-like markings. Paradise tanager, the paradise tanager is aptly named and adds a splash of color. Saffron toucanet, this toucan species has a captivating combination of saffron and black plumage.